How you doing? Okay, so we're gonna paddle up against good. Hi. Up for him. So we just saw an otter and a kingfisher, and of course I have the camera off because we were working some rapids. Some birds along the bank. On the left bank, far side, 10:30. Up high, he's a foot up. He's leaving. He's going under the brush, but he's moving over there. 10 o'clock. You move a little bit more to your 10:30. You're not looking quite, and look low. He's 1 foot up off the bank. You're looking too high and more to the right. All right, so there's definitely some otters in the water here. I may not have got them on the last recording, at least they were in the distance, but one just dove at the 9 o'clock here. Hang out, see if we can see them again. Yeah, the water's super still in here. It's deep. People here. Hard to leave in the frame. It's a big iguana on that rock. Yeah, yeah, he's there. I don't know if the be visible on the GoPro. It's probably just debris. Smell like somebody's smoking. Yeah, yeah. So what I was gonna say was is keep to your strong side and you steer and I'll just paddle on the right side. And then if you want me to change, it's better if you change sides, but it's an app. An app. It's some kind. What's that? Yeah, yeah. Oh, look up in the tree. Giant hornet's nest. It's huge.